Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So we have started your registration for your mock tests. Okay, so as you have all requested us for the mock test, we have started the registration process for the mock test from today, that is from Monday. Okay, so the registration link will be provided to you below in the description box. Registration link is provided below in the description box. Do check out the registration link. You can also check out the registration link from our Facebook page. Okay, so this is the poster which we have released. Okay, so you can see from the poster itself that we will be providing you 3 sets of mock test, okay, which will be very important for your upcoming JLEE 2020 question examination, and this will consist of your most probable questions which our team has specially designed for you all. Okay, so see what are the key highlights of our test. Okay, so key highlights ki ase, it will be based on the ASTU syllabus. ASTU is, as you know, that ASTU will be conducting the examination for your this year JLEE. Okay, so whatever the questions are there, that questions which will be prepared, we will be preparing with based on the syllabus that is given by ASTU. Okay, and solution video will be provided to you through Google Drive. Okay, it will not be given to you in YouTube. Okay, only those of you who will register, jone register koriba, we will give them the Google Drive link. Google Drive link to ami keneke dim through the registered email. Tumalage jitu email ere amak register koriba, through that email ID. In that email ID we will provide you the link for the videos. You just have to click the link and you will be directed to the video. ठीक है, Google Drive तुमालोगक आमी video to dim, not in YouTube. ठीक है, and swa ki tests available ase. These are the tests which are available. You can opt for any one of the tests. ठीक है, so swa ki test available ase. First test is your mathematics plus civil engineering plus graphics, which is of 250 rupees. ठीक है, ता माने 1 second. ता माने civil engineering तात किमानटा question থাকিব 50 टा question plus maths तात किमानटा question 30 टा question plus graphics तात किमानटा question 10 टा question. This will be one set. एटु किमान set होबो one set. इनुका टाइपर आमी किमान दिम into 3. तार माने आमी 3 टा set दिम इनुका question. तार माने 90 यात किमानटा question होल 90 into 3 माने किमान 270 टा question आमी तुमालोगक एटा set of team if you go for the first one, that is of 250 rupees. ठीक আছে, next to ki ase civil engineering only 150 rupees. Civil engineering only माने अकल civil engineering और 3 टा set team. You will not get maths and graphics. ठीक है, and then mathematics only. ठीक है, then mathematics plus graphics and graphics only. You can opt for anyone. जितु तुमाक दरकार আছে, suppose someone is from mechanical engineering branch, then they can opt for mathematics plus graphics. ठीक है, but we recommend the civil engineering students to go for the first one, 250 rupees or 2. ठीक है, जो तुमालगे 270 टा question पाई जाबा 3 टा set of dim. ठीक है, okay, now how will you pay? You will pay us to our mobile number that is given to you, or you can scan this QR code. QR code to ami di disu ba mobile number to ami di disu. Tumalage UPI use kori jikono UPI based application like your Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm tar through ami tumalage payment to koribo para. ঠিক আছে, so aru eta kotha koi diu je yat jitu tumalage test loba, that test will be given to you. Say suppose tinita mock test ase. ঠিক আছে, say test 1 will be conducted on say given date say August 5th or पर आमी start करिलो. ठीक है, first test. So first test तो की होगा, first we will give you the question set. Question set तो आमी की दिम तुमालोगो in PDF format in Google Drive दे दिम. ठीक है, then we will give you the detailed solution of the question set. First set of माने किमानटा question থাকিব 90 question থাকিব, कारण इटु first test. যদি তুমি civil plus maths plus graphics লৈছা, ঠিক আছে, so first question set to ami tumalogok di dim. PDF format তুমি নিজে সলভ কৰি চাবা then we will give you the solution video in 2 to 3 days in the same link ঠিক আছে 2 to 3 days ভিতৰত তোমালোকক আমি next solution video to দি দিম solution video গুটে ডিটেইলত থাকিব solution to পুৰা video ঠিক আছে next test say will be conducted after 2 to 3 days say August 8 ত আমি next test to conduct কৰিম you will get this schedule I'm just giving you a tentative schedule কথা কৈছো মই এটা we will give you the schedule will be emailed to you we will email you the schedule যেটো registered email দিবা তোমালোকে আমি তাতে তোমাক mail কৰি দিম ঠিক আছে I hope this is clear so if any of you have doubts you can comment below কিবা যদি বুজি পোৱা নাই মোৰ explanation you can comment below okay now let me give you how you will register from the link given in the description box when you click the link you will be directed to a Google form ঠিক আছে let us see the Google form now so এখন okay so see this is your Google form okay this is registration for mock test for JLW যেটা তুমি link to click কৰিবা you will be directed to this Google form ঠিক আছে so here our contact email ID is given to you and the Facebook link is also given to you when you click you will be directed to our Facebook page ঠিক আছে and next one form খন কিনকুৱা হয় here you will give your name your email ID this email ID যেটো তুমি daily use কৰা you give only that email ID only because all contacts to you will be through this email ID so very important তোমাক Google link or Google Drive or link আমি এইটো email ID দিম ঠিক আছে and your schedule for the test will also be given to you in this email ID so যেটো email ID তুমি constantly use কৰা only that email ID আমাক provide কৰিবা here you will enter your mobile number ঠিক আছে next one কি আছে next one your college institute নামটো দিবা college or institute and which mock test you registered for say তুমি graphics plus mathematics plus graphics plus civil lisa so you will tick here ঠিক আছে so accordingly যেটো payment হ'ব তুমি ইয়াত লিখি থোৱা আছে কিমান এটা টেষ্টৰ দাম so it will be consist of 3 tests যেটো মই already কৈছো 3 set of tests will be there okay so next one you have to pay to this mobile number or you can directly scan this QR also ঠিক আছে payment কিহেৰে হ'ব either GPay বা Paytm or PhonePe বা তুমি Bhim app use কৰিব পাৰা ঠিক আছে যিকোনো app use কৰিব পাৰা UPI based তোমালোকে জানা এবোৰ কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে নহলে বা you can check out the YouTube videos how to pay through UPI ঠিক আছে okay so next one after paying তুমি কোনটো মোডেৰে পে কৰিছা just tick here say তুমি GPay ৰে পে কৰিছা tick here okay then you will upload the screenshot of the payment details তুমি GPay পে কৰিছা so you will take the screenshot of the payment যত তোমাৰ ID to payment ID transaction ID বা payment ID বুলি আহিব এটো লিখা থাকিব তাত ঠিক আছে যত payment কৰিছা আমাক take the screenshot and upload this file here upload কেনেকৈ হ'ব সোৱা when you click here add file here এই নতুন উইন্ডোটো খুলিব you have to select from device তুমি যদি মোবাইল ইউজ কৰি আছা তোমাৰ মোবাইল গ্যালাৰীত যত তুমি স্ক্ৰিনশ্বটটো লৈছা তাৰ স্ক্ৰিনশ্বটটো তুমি জাস্ট ইয়াত আপলোড কৰি দিলে হ'ল ঠিক আছে and this is when এটো আপলোড কৰিলেহে তোমাৰ পেমেন্টটো ভেৰিফাই হ'ব ঠিক আছে when you upload this file we will verify this payment details ঠিক আছে আমাৰ একাউন্টত যেটো ট্ৰানজাকশন আইডি আহিব and the transaction ID which you have given here should match এই দুটা ম্যাচ হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়া আমি তোমাক কনফার্মেশন ইমেইল এটা পঠাম তোমাক আমি কনফার্মেশন ইমেইল এটা পঠাম that your payment is successful and you have successfully registered ঠিক আছে and finally are you a subscriber যদি তুমি সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰিছা আমাৰ চেনেলত yes দিবা and যদি নাই কৰা তুমি সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰি yes দি দিব পাৰা আৰু যদি সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰা নাই then no টিপি দিবা and last question is from where did you come to know about civil simplified learning so কৈ দিব পাৰা ইউটিউবৰ পৰা গম পাইছা বা ফ্ৰেন্ডছৰ পৰা গম পাইছো then finally you will click the submit button once you click the submit button it will be submitted we will verify the transaction to ঠিকে হৈছে না নাই ইয়াত তুমি যেটো ফাইল দিছা হেতু তোমাৰ পেমেন্টৰ লগত মিলিছে না নাই আমি verify কৰিম and we will give you a confirmation email that your payment has been successful ঠিক আছে then you will know that your register hoise successfully ঠিক আছে যদি তুমি যিকোনো ফাইল আপলোড কৰিছা then obviously তোমাৰ নহব then again you can register ঠিক আছে okay I hope this is clear to you all so thank you for watching this video I hope we are able to helpful and we are hopeful that বেছি মানুহে register কৰিব because যদি so frankly যদি 20-30 students register কৰে then we will not be able to carry out, then we will refund you the amount. যদি বহুত কম student হয় we will refund you the amount, যোনে যোনে pay কৰিছা don't worry, পইচা মাৰা না যায়. So যদি কম student হয় we will not be carrying out the registration, আৰু যদি বেছি student হয় obviously we will carry out the registration happily. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.